Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Google Sheets for Policy Cost Calculator, complete guide step by step clearly. Create a new spreadsheet by clicking on the blank sheet option. In the first cell, label it with a title that reflects the purpose of your calculator. Next, enter the necessary inputs for your policy cost calculation in the subsequent cells. These inputs may include data points such as coverage amount, term length, and user demographics. Now, move to a new cell and begin setting up the formulas needed to calculate the policy cost. You may use basic formulas like addition, subtraction, or multiplication to determine the total cost. For more complex calculations, consider using functions like if or VLOOKUP for dynamic data handling. Ensure that all cells referenced in your formulas are correctly linked to your input data. Once your formulas are established, test them with sample data to verify their accuracy. To enhance user experience, apply data validation in your input cells to restrict entries to acceptable formats. Incorporate conditional formatting to visually distinguish between different cost ranges. After confirming that everything functions correctly, you can share your Google Sheets file. Click on the Share button in the top right corner and adjust the sharing settings. To make the sheet accessible, you can choose to allow users to view or edit as needed. Copy the shareable link generated by Google Sheets for easy access. In your message, provide a brief overview of what users can expect from the policy cost calculator. Consider creating instructional videos or guides to accompany your sheet for better user understanding. Finally, routinely check and update your Google Sheets file to keep the information relevant and accurate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.